Hello there, this is Lispa taking through example 2 on the same part, that is application of quadratic expression and equations 2. So today we are going to look at how to solve simultaneous equation involving a linear equation and a quadratic equation, and this is our example number 2. We have x plus 3y is equals to 13 and x squared plus 3y squared is equals to 43. The question reads, solve the equation. That is, solve the equation. So in this part now, we are going to use the first equation. It is simpler for us to use it. That is x plus 3y is equals to 13. We make x the subject of the formula by taking 3y the other side. So here we'll be left with x is equals to 13 minus 3y. So the value of x that we have in our first equation, we replace that value of x in the second equation. So we'll be having x squared plus 3y squared is equals to 43. Now, the x squared that we have here is whatever we have in our equation 1. So instead of writing x, we write 13 minus 3y, everything squared, plus 3y squared is equals to 43. So we expand our equation. Remember this one, from a minus b squared, we had a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So coming to what we have here, that is 13 minus 3y squared plus 3y squared is equals to 43. Here we have 13 squared minus 2 times 13 times 3y plus 3y squared, then plus 3y is equals to 43. I have put in the brackets because if by any chance our sign here is negative, something is going to change. But since we have plus, there's nothing much which is going to change in our equation. So expanding this, we are going to have 169 minus 78y plus 9y squared plus 3y squared is equals to 43. From this point now, we put the like terms together. We have 9y and we have 3y. We put them together. We have 43 on this side and we have 169 on the other side. So we can arrange our equation to start with this. So 9 plus 3, we have 12y squared minus 78. Then we can bring 43 the other side. That is 169 minus 43. We have positive 126. Everything is equals to 0. From this part now, we can find the value which is similar. And here we can divide by 6 by 6 by 6 by 6. So here we are going to have 12 divided by 6. We have 2y squared minus 76 divided by 6. We get 13y plus 126 divided by 6. We get 21, and everything is equals to 0. We find sum and product. Okay, so our sum here is going to be negative 13. Our product is going to be 42. So as usual, we ask ourselves, which are those two values that when we add them we get negative 13, and when we multiply them we get 42, and that is negative 6 and negative 7. So as usual, we are supposed to replace negative 13 with the values that you have got here. So we have 2y squared minus 6y minus 7y plus 21 is equals to 0. From this part now we pair them into 2 and factorize the common values that we have. Between 2y squared and 6y, we see that 2y is common, so we have 2y. Then we'll be left with y minus 3. In the second part, between 7y and 21, we see that 7 is common, and we'll be left with y minus 3. Then here we can have minus, so that this equation is equals to our upper equation here. So now we pick 2y minus 7 and y minus 3 is equals to 0. We can take one equation at a time, so we can have y is equals to 3, and the other part 2y is equals to 7 divided by 2 divided by 2, and our value of y is equals to that is 3 and a half. So in our equation we have the values of x and values of y. So from here now we are supposed to have the value of x. So what is the value of x when y is equals to 3? We come to our equation that we had here, that x is equals to 13 minus 3y. So here we have 13 minus 3 times 3, which is 9. So 13 minus 9, we get our answer as 4. Our value of x when y is equals to 3.5. We do the same, that is x is equals to 13 minus 3 times 3.5, and we get our answer as 2.5. I hope you have enjoyed. Kindly like and subscribe for more. Thank you.